in the game, I was on the bench. First I was and now I'm collecting rent. First it with the Beamer, now I want the Benz. Spending all the back like here I go again. Outside says the chirp, now the camera phone. Told you I'ma keep the channels on. Why you acting different when the camera's on? Why you acting different like your paper long?
Sorry guys, I was on a hiatus for a little bit because I wanted a little bit of break for myself too. So I'm back with more tutorials, more LUTs, transitions, etc. So stay tuned for that. So recently I saw this new trend for this thermal LUTs out there, showing this kind of thermal effects to your videos, which in my opinion sounds really cool. And I made some thermal LUTs for you guys, totally free of cost. Again, it took me some time to just figure things out. It was not so easy as I thought it would be. But again, in my opinion, if you ask me how I made this, I actually made this in Photoshop rather than in any other software. In Photoshop, it was just a little bit tad easier compared to Final Cut Pro or Premiere Pro. So I just made the LUT on Photoshop, but it is applicable on any software out there. Final Cut Pro, Premiere Pro, Vinci, Photoshop, anything which accepts cube format LUTs is applicable with this LUT. So check this out. If you guys like this video, then do make sure to check this out. Subscribe to my second channel as well. I post some really cool growth related tips on that channel, so make sure to stay tuned and check that out as well. If you guys like this video, comment down below, like this video, share this video with your friends. I'm Pixel Sammy. We'll be back with a new video soon. Peace.